The new 2025 Indian Pursuit stands as a testament to the enduring appeal of American touring motorcycles, offering a refined and powerful experience for riders who prioritize comfort, technology, and a commanding presence on the open road. Building upon its established reputation, the 2025 Pursuit likely incorporates subtle yet significant enhancements aimed at further solidifying its position as a premium choice in the full-dress touring segment. Indian motorcycle, steeped in heritage and known for its iconic designs and potent engines, continues to evolve its touring lineup, and the 2025 Pursuit is expected to embody this blend of classic American style with modern innovation. The design of the 2025 Indian Pursuit is expected to retain its distinctive and imposing silhouette, characterized by its large, frame-mounted fairing, integrated hard saddlebags, and a spacious top case, all seamlessly blended into a cohesive and aesthetically pleasing touring package. The iconic Indian headdress adorning the front fender will undoubtedly remain a prominent design element, underscoring the brand's rich heritage. Powering the 2025 Indian Pursuit is expected to be the robust and torquey Power Plus liquid-cooled 108 cubic inch, 1,768 cubic centimeters, V-twin engine. This modern engine is known for its smooth power delivery and ample grunt, providing the effortless acceleration and passing power essential for comfortable two-up riding and fully loaded touring. The chassis and suspension of the 2025 Indian Pursuit are engineered to provide exceptional comfort and stability, crucial for long days in the saddle. The frame is a robust structure designed to handle the weight of passengers, luggage, and the large fairing while maintaining confident handling. The suspension system typically features electronically adjustable Fox rear shocks, allowing riders to easily fine-tune the ride quality based on load and road conditions. The front suspension usually consists of telescopic forks designed for smooth and controlled handling. The 2025 Indian Pursuit is expected to be packed with a comprehensive suite of technology aimed at enhancing the touring experience. A large, high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system, often with integrated navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto compatibility, will serve as the central hub for controlling various motorcycle functions, accessing media, and staying connected on the road. The new 2025 Indian Pursuit is poised to maintain its position as a premier full-dress touring motorcycle, offering a compelling blend of powerful American V-twin performance, luxurious comfort, advanced technology, and iconic styling. By likely incorporating subtle yet meaningful enhancements, Indian aims to further solidify the Pursuit's appeal to discerning riders who demand the best for their long-distance adventures.